I'm John Cooper with John Cooper & Associates, and I'm delighted to introduce you to Unit 1306 here at 1097 Bowen Road. We've got a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, top floor condo, 678 square feet, located across the street from Bowen Park, close to the university, close to the hospital. Let me show you around. Unit 1306 at 1097 Bowen Road is centrally located and on a primary bus route. The open concept 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom floor plan gets plenty of natural light. Located across the street from Bowen Park, one of the most amenity-rich parks in the city of Nanaimo. Bowen Park has miles of trails for biking and walking. It includes an outdoor pool, a disc golf course, tennis courts, lawn bowling, beach volleyball, and even a horseshoe pitch. This condo would be ideal for a first-time homebuyer or downsizer. Located minutes to the university and the hospital, close to shopping, restaurants, a gym, and coffee shops. If you are tired of the instability that comes with renting, this is a perfect opportunity to get a foothold in the rapidly growing Nanaimo real estate market. For a full information package that has floor plans and all the other details, or to book a private showing, reach out to me or my team at johncooper.ca. I'm John Cooper with John Cooper & Associates, eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.